Wait, boy, wait. I'm gonna ask you, and you're gonna tell me the name of each shape here. What's the name of this one? This one.
Circle.
Yes. This one.
Square.
This one.
Triangle.
What's the name of this one?
Rectangle.
Yes, rectangle. This one.
Triangle.
Well done. This one.
Trapeze.
Yes, trapeze. This one. You forgot it.
This will go it.
The name. King Yelina Lion.
Name.
Yeah. Okay.
Ellipse.
Yes, ellipse. I'll say Popola. This one.
Hexagon.
Well done. This one.
Pentagon.
Yeah. This one.
Parallelogram.
Yes, parallelogram. This one.
Rhombus.
Yes, rhombus. And this one.
Star.
Yeah. High five.
Yes, you see.
Well done, boy.